Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make Dotorimuk-bap, which is acorn jelly soup. Let's get started. Korea is still very hot and I want to use a heat as little as possible. So today, we're making another refreshing summer dish. To get started, we need daikon radish. We need about 1/5 of the daikon radish. Cut the edges and throw it out and slice it to the big chunks. And put to the side. Next, we need bottom part of the leg. Just cut it into the 4 cm wide slices. And put to the side. Get a pot and fill it with water. We need 1200 milliliter of water. And turn your stove on high heat. And we're gonna put the daikon radish that we sliced, and green onion that we sliced, and 6 dry shiitake mushroom, and 1 slice of dashima. And cover the pot. We're gonna simmer for 15 minutes. While we're waiting for it to boil, let's have a story time. Acorn jelly is really popular dish in Korea. And long time ago, people usually made it at home. So long time ago, when I visit my grandmother's house with my family, my grandmother always asked me and my brother to pick out the acorn and chestnuts. Chestnut is the spiky one, right? Yeah, so me and my brother always go around the street like near the park and pick up the acorn and chestnut and bring to home. When me and my brother brought back the acorns and chestnut, she gave us the money, and that was really good memory. I don't think it was a one. I don't exactly remember, but I think she gave me a $10 or something, and I was... That's not a lot. After I gave to her, she always made acorn jellies and give to our family. She steamed the chestnut and gave me a steamed chestnut. It's really sweet and tender. Like, I think it's better than a potato. After simmering for 10 minutes, you gotta look through. Oh, it's hot. And look for the Dashima. Where is it? Oh, found it. Dashima. Take out the Dashima and let it simmer 5 more minutes. If you're simmering Dashima for a really long time, it gets bitter. So make sure take it out. That's Kwon's Corner tip. You can also eat it. It's really good for constipation. So if you have a constipation, make sure eat it. It doesn't mean I'm eating because of the constipation, just so you know. Oh, cool. Choo choo. I like it. Have a better skin. Really hot. It's really hard to become a gomina. Oh! I'm trying to become. Become a gomina. How's my skin? Okay. After 5 more minutes, turn off your stove. Put your veggies into the strainers and drain all the water. And it should look like a really beautiful yellow gold color. We need 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we need 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Put 1/4 tablespoons of salt. put to the side. While the soup broth is cooled down, we're gonna prepare our veggie. First, you need cucumber. We need about quarter of a cucumber. Slice thinly and stack them together and press hard. Slice thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need a quarter of a carrot. Slice the bottom so it can lie flat on the cutting board and slice it from the side. And same as cucumbers, stack them together and julienne them. And put to the side. Next, get a 3 lettuce leaf. Slice lengthwise first and slice it into the big chunks and put to the side. Next, we need 3 perilla leaves. Cut the stem. I mean, you can eat the stems, but I don't really like the texture of the stem, so slice it if you don't like it and cut it lengthwise and slice it into the big chunks and put to the side. Next, we need 1 hot pepper, and I'm using red one for the decorations. Slice thinly and put to the side. We need some kimchi. Get the kimchi on the cutting board and slice thinly and put it back to the bowl. We need half tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix well. Make sure you get a vegan kimchi to make this dish vegan. And have a taste. It's really good. Sweet, sour, toasted sesame seed goes so well. Put to the side. I got this acorn jelly yesterday from the Korean traditional market, so it's very fresh. Ooh, it's so jiggly, 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 jiggly. Pop! If you've never seen the acorn jelly, it looks like a tofu with the brown color. And so jiggly. So when you slice it, be careful because it's really slippery. Slice it into 1 centimeter thick slices and stack them together, and we're gonna slice 1 centimeter thick slice again. Since it's slippery, it's really hard to cut, and if there's an ugly one, just eat it with kimchi. Tastes really good. I think that might be another dish. So we're done preparing. Let's plate it. Get a pot and put a rice in the middle. And on top of the rice, we're gonna put the acorn jellies. And on the side, we're gonna put the lettuce on top. And the other side, we're gonna put the perilla leaves and a little bit of cucumber and carrots. You can put however you want, but I'm trying to make it as pretty as possible. And we gotta put the kimchi on top too, as well. And get a ladle and put the soup into a bowl. And we're gonna decorate with the hot pepper that we sliced. And most important thing, we're gonna put some ice. That's it. Our mukbang is all ready to eat. Eating time! That's it. Ooh, there's so many different things. So get a rice and an acorn. This is really good. Really good. Really. Kimchi has really unique sourness and make this dish refreshing. Since I didn't cook any of the vegetable, it's so fresh. And soup is super icy and I really like it. Since I made soup broth based on the daikon radish, shiitake mushroom, dashima, it's so umami. And acorn jelly is umami as well. It's so good! So refreshing! If you can find the acorn jelly, I highly recommend you to make it during summer. So hopefully you can try. If you try, please send me a picture through social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner Subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. If you have a request, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!